What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem if an Excel file is not opening on your Windows PC. It can be frustrating when you try to open an Excel file but nothing happens. First, locate the Excel file that isn't opening. Right-click on it and select Show More Options. From the menu, click on Properties. In the General tab, scroll to the bottom and you might see a message saying, "This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer." If you see this, check the box next to Unblock and then click Apply and OK. Now, try opening the file again to see if that resolves the issue. If the file still doesn't open, the next step is to adjust Excel's security settings. Open Microsoft Excel by searching for it in your Start menu search and press Enter. In the bottom left, click on Options to open the Settings menu. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Trust Center. Then, on the right side, select Trust Center Settings. A new window will open up. Here, click on Protected View and you will see 3 options with checkboxes. Uncheck all 3 options and then click on OK. Click OK again to close the settings and then exit Excel completely. Now, go back and try opening your Excel file again. It should work now. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.